Blue, you want to say something to YouTube? You say, hello, my name is Lucifer, and I'm a 3-year-old male Connie Corso puppy, and I'm spoiled, and I love snacks and treats and cheese and rabbits and squirrels and bye-byes and sleeping in bed with mom and dad. Is that the one you love the most? You turn your head? Oh. And do you love mama and dad? And do you love Gampy and Gammy? I know you look for Gammy. Gammy always brings you stuff. You look at the back door for Gammy. You love your Gammy, don't you? And you love your toy box? I know you love your toy box. And you like, what's your favorite foods to have? You like to have chicken and steak and ground turkey and carrots and zucchini and blueberries and watermelon and cheese. That's it? Your interview over? Okay.